Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to hack Sonic Dash on your iOS or Android device, But yeah, this will only take a few minutes and I hope you stay to watch. Alrighty, so as you can see, I do have an iPhone. So the first thing iOS users want to do is go into Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and you just want to make sure your Wi-Fi and cellular data is on. After that, you want to go into a separate web browser, mine's Safari. Just type in tweakcity.co, like so. Oh boy. Type in go. Okay, and then you just want to type in Sonic Dash. Alrighty. Type that one. It's Sonic Dash plus by the way. And untap Start Injection. This usually does take 30 to 40 seconds, but depending on your Wi-Fi, it could take a bit longer. No worries, it will get there. But yeah, this hack is really helpful, especially if you don't want to pay for the bundles and the coins and such that come with the game. So yeah. So we're waiting for this to finish downloading here. And once it's finished, you will be taken to a screen like so. And when you are, you can, all you have to do is download 2 free apps. I'm going to download these 2 because I already did this hack prior, but I'm just showing you guys how to do it, so I'm just going to use the same 2 that I used for that. You can download whatever 2 you want, it doesn't really matter. Then go to your home screen, wait for them to download here. Once they finish downloading, just tap on them and run them for at least 30 seconds each. Now, you don't have to do anything within these apps. You just want to make sure you're tapping on them, leaving them on their home screen here, and running them for at least 30 seconds. Once you've ran them both for 30 seconds, you will see Sonic Dash plus come up on your screen. Once you do, delete these 2 apps because you no longer need them. And yeah, I hope this hack was helpful for you guys. If it was, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.